Hi, happy Super Bowl. So I decided to make some easy fried chicken wings. And who doesn't love wings? I'm going to make some pizza with it, and that'll be a great snack during our game today. So let me show you the seasonings that I'm beginning with. First, I have a staple, Lorry seasoned salt. I'm using black pepper as well as garlic powder. And then I'm also using hot sauce. Now you can use whatever type of hot sauce that you like. I happen to like this one for chicken wings. And I'm going to take just a 12 pack of party wings because we don't need that many. And marinate them in the seasonings and hot sauce. Now, the longer it marinates, the better it is. So you can do this the day before, or you can do it earlier before the game starts. Next, I'm taking about a half a cup of flour and putting them into two containers, using one egg, also in another container. And this is the way I'm going to fry my chicken. So this is a pretty common way to do it. You're going to begin with a floured mixture and then transfer it to a egg mixture and then into a seasoned flour. And I just add a little bit of garlic powder and pepper and seasoned salt to the final flour, just to ensure that the crispy crust will be seasoned. So I had some Crisco left, some shortening that I had used for a pound cake, and I put that in my cast iron skillet and let that get hot. And then I dip my chicken wings into the flour, the plain flour, and then into the egg wash, and then into the seasoned flour and transfer them to the hot oil. And you just do that. You don't want to overcrowd the chicken wings. You just want to continue to turn them on each side so that they will brown evenly. And once it's done, you're going to transfer it to a paper towel or something to drain it. It's hot. It's delicious. You can see I had to try one here. And that's classic fried chicken wings.